Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to install Amazon Web Services Elastic Beanstalk command line interface. So to get started, you need to download Python. I'm using version 3.7 from python.org. So we'll go ahead and install this. So you'll see there's two options. One, install now, which is to install for the current user, and you can choose to customize the installation. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to customize the installation. But first, we're going to check the box to add the path to the Python 3.7 binaries. So we'll take the default settings here, and then in advanced options, we're going to choose install for all users. You'll see how the installation location changed. So now that's installed, we'll open PowerShell to finish the installation. So the first thing we're going to do is check the version of Python we've installed and make sure that we can actually execute Python. So there we have Python 3.7.2 deployed. So to install the Elastic Beanstalk CLI, we need to use pip, which is a package management module for Python. So let's just check that pip is installed as well. And there you see we've got version 18.1. So now we use pip to install the AWS Elastic Beanstalk CLI, and we use the upgrade option. So now that's finished deploying, we can issue a simple command to ensure that the CLI has installed correctly. And there you'll see that we've got version 3.14.10 installed. Thank you for watching this video.